Hello, and welcome to 5 Minute Math. Today we are looking at the TEKS tool strip diagram. We are working with equal groups with a problem related to TEKS 5.3f, and we will solve it in 5 minutes or less. If you haven't done so already, please go ahead and take a moment to pause the video, work this problem out on your own, unpause it, and we will look at our answers together. So we have an area model here, and it's supposed to represent division, and we need to turn it into a division equation. All right, so typically when we're dealing with division, there are a few things we're looking for. So we are looking for something that lets us know that we're dealing with equal groups. We are looking for total, the number in each group, and or the number of groups. And what we'll normally get is we will get something that lets us know that we're dealing with equal groups, and we're going to get 2 out of the 3. Now, none of this is going to come in the problem set. That means that we need to look at this from the actual model itself. And so what do we see here? Well, we see that we have got equal groups because if we see these darker lines, right, we see that we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, and then I'm going to put a box around this last one, 5. We've got 5 groups that all have 5 little chunks in there. So that's going to be our equal groups. Okay, so each of these groups is going to equal 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 out of 10. So 5 tenths. So we could look at it as a fraction, but since it's tenths, let's also look at it as a decimal. Now, what we could do is we could also note that we have a total. So each full strip represents one whole. Okay, so I've got one whole right here. I've got one hole right here, and then I don't have a hole on that last one. I've got half of it. So I've got 0.5. Now 0.5 is 5 tenths, but 5 tenths simplifies down to 1/2. So visually we can see that it's half the strip. We also know that 0.5 is the same as 1/2 when we're dealing with decimals. So I could say my total is going to be 1, 2, and then that 0.5. So that's going to be 2.5. Now, how many do I have in each group? Well, we've got that right here. We've got in each group is an equal amount of zero point 0.5, 5 tenths. And then how many groups do we have? Well, I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This sixth one is not shaded in, so we're not counting that one. So we've got 6 groups, but only 5 of them are actually shaded in, so we're not going to really count that sixth one. That's trick that we're having to kind of overcome with this problem because visually we see 6 groups, but we're looking at that shading, which is only 5. So that's all the information we need to draw a strip diagram. So let's think of it like this. I'm going to draw my strip diagram like this, give myself plenty of room. I'm going to put my total down on the bottom. What do we say our total was? Right, 2.5. Total can be on the bottom, total can be on the top. It could be a bar or it could be a line. There's a lot of different ways to show it. Now I've got 5 groups. Each of them have 0.5. All right, so I'm going to try to split that up into fifths. And I'm going to put 0.5 all the way across. There's my strip diagram that represents this. Once we have this, we can turn this into a division sentence. So when we divide, we put our total up front. And as our dividend, we notice that's going to be there all the way across. Now we're dividing this into how many groups? We're dividing this into 5 groups. So it's going to either be A, C, or D. And then we need to look at, well, what is our quotient, right? Our divisor is 5, but how much is in each group? Well, 5 tenths. So we see this full statement here, 2.5 divided by 5 is going to be 5 tenths. So our answer is going to be D.